Embarking on private wine tasting tours is an enchanting journey into the heart of viticulture, where the notion of exclusivity transforms the experience into a symphony of taste and luxury. The allure of these tours lies not only in the opportunity to savor exceptional wines but also in the intimate access granted to the inner sanctums of renowned vineyards. Vineyard exclusivity becomes a key feature, offering patrons a rare and personalized encounter with the very essence of winemaking. As one navigates the picturesque landscapes of sprawling vineyards, a sense of exclusivity permeates the air, creating an ambience that transcends the ordinary wine-tasting affair. The tour becomes a bespoke odyssey, tailored to the preferences of the discerning connoisseur, where every sip is accompanied by a narrative that unveils the history, craftsmanship, and passion behind each bottle. In the realm of private wine tasting tours, vineyard exclusivity extends beyond the act of sampling wines. It is an immersive journey that allows enthusiasts to witness the alchemy of winemaking firsthand. Patrons are often treated to private tours of the winemaking facilities, guided by vintners and experts who share the intricacies of the craft. From the vine to the barrel, the process unfolds like a well-scripted play, and participants become spectators in the theater of winemaking. The intimacy of the experience fosters a deeper appreciation for the artistry involved, as the subtle dance of grapes, barrels, and time is unveiled before their eyes. It's not merely about tasting wine. It's about understanding the terroir, the nuances of grape varieties, and the meticulous techniques that contribute to the creation of each vintage. Moreover, vineyard exclusivity often extends to private tastings led by sommeliers or even the winemakers themselves. This personalized touch elevates the experience, as patrons engage in insightful conversations about flavor profiles, aging processes, and the unique characteristics that distinguish each wine. The sommelier becomes a storyteller, weaving narratives around the complexities of the vintages, guiding participants on a sensory journey that transcends the boundaries of a typical wine tasting. It's an education in enology, where novices and aficionados alike have the opportunity to refine their palates and deepen their understanding of the world of wines. The setting of private wine tasting tours adds another layer of exclusivity to the experience. Whether hosted in the opulent cellars of historic estates, overlooking rolling vine-covered hills, or within architecturally stunning tasting rooms, the ambience is carefully curated to complement the exquisite wines being presented. The act of swirling, sniffing, and sipping becomes a ritual, a communion with the surroundings that enhances the sensory pleasure of each pour. The exclusivity extends beyond the tastings, often incorporating gourmet pairings crafted by renowned chefs, transforming the tour into a gastronomic affair that transcends the ordinary. In conclusion, private wine tasting tours with vineyard exclusivity offer a privileged escapade into the world of viticulture. It's a journey that marries the artistry of winemaking with the luxury of exclusivity, where patrons are not merely spectators but active participants in the symphony of flavors that unfold in each glass. The vineyard becomes a sanctuary, a haven for wine enthusiasts seeking a curated experience that goes beyond the typical tasting. It's a celebration of craftsmanship, history, and the sheer joy of indulging in the finest wines in the most exclusive of settings.